Hello friends, welcome to my channel Cubing Station. Today I will show you some one-hand algorithms for Rubik's Cube 2x2. So this algorithm will help you in one-hand solve. So in my previous video I have shown you how to solve a Rubik's Cube 2x2. If you have not watched that video, the link is given in the description box below. Go check it out. So let's get started. Our first algorithm is RE. So first I will do with my right hand. R U 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So now I will do it my left hand. So R U 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So now our next algorithm is RU R prime U prime. So now I will show it to you with my right hand. RU R prime U prime 1. RU R prime U prime 2. RU R prime U prime 3. RU R prime U prime 4. RU R prime U prime 5. RU R prime U prime 6. So now the left hand. R U R prime U prime 1. R U R prime U prime 2. R U R prime U prime 3. R U R prime U prime 4. R U R prime U prime 5. R U R prime U prime 6. So our next algorithm is R2 U2. So now I will do it with my right hand. R2 U2 1, 2, 3. Now with the left hand. R2 2, 3. So our next algorithm is L prime U R U prime L U R prime U prime with a proof written. And this algorithm is the most important algorithm for solving a Rubik's Cube 2x2. So let's see. L prime U R U prime L U R prime U prime 1. L prime U R U prime L U R prime U prime 2. L prime U R U prime L U R prime U prime 3. So now with the left hand. L prime U R U prime L U R prime U prime 1. L prime U R U prime L U R prime U prime 2. L prime U R U prime L U R prime U prime 3. So now our next algorithm is R prime D prime RT. So this algorithm is also an important algorithm for solving the Rubik's Cube 2-bit. So let's see. R prime D prime R D1 R prime D prime R D2 R prime D prime R D3 R prime D prime R D4 R prime D prime R D5 R prime D prime R D6. Now to the left hand. R prime D prime R D1 R prime D prime R D2 R prime D prime R D3 R prime D prime R D4 R prime D prime R D5 R prime D prime R D6. So our next algorithm is L prime U, which is up to 9 times. So let's get started. L prime U 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 18. So now is the next one. L prime U. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share my video and subscribe my channel Cubing Station and press the bell icon for all the notifications first. Bye.